सो गाइज आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि कैसे हम लोग 5 इफ़ेक्टिव तरीके इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं जब हम लोग कोडिंग करते हैं। आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में कोडिंग करते हो, आपको ये 5 तरीके इम्प्लीमेंट करने हैं वाइल यूजिंग ChatGPT टू गेट इफेक्टिव एंड परफेक्ट कोड्स। सो यू कैन फॉलो दिस पॉइंट्स एंड लर्न and you will get an effective codes. I am going to tell each point one by one, and at last I am going to give you a structure prompt which will help you to get an effective production ready code. So we are going to learn this one by one. Let's start the video and learn one by one all the 5 points and the structure prompts which will help you to implement the effective codes. So here are top 5 ways to create effective code using ChatGPT. Let's understand first. So first of all, you have to write clear and detailed prompts. Why it is necessary? The better your prompt, the better the generated code is. Like instead of write CSV code, you have to specify the detail and clear prompt. Like write a Python function that reads a CSV file, removes duplicate rows and saves the clean data to a new file. Here it is a complete prompt. Let's understand the second point. Specify the programming language and framework. Like always mention the language, framework and version you are using. It clears the which language it has to implement the code. Example, you have to specify language in Python 3.12, framework Django 5, and like database PostgreSQL SQL. This helps ChatGPT generate compatible code. Now let's talk about third point. Break large problems into small tasks. Rather than asking for an entire application, build it स्टेप बाय स्टेप. हमें लार्ज प्रॉब्लम्स को छोटे छोटे टास्क पे ब्रेक करके हमें उसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप देना चाहिए कमांड ChatGPT को. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, क्रिएट द डेटाबेस स्कीमा. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्रिएट द डेटाबेस स्कीमा. आफ्टर दैट बिल्ड द API. आफ्टर दैट ऐड ऑथेंटिकेशंस. देन फोर्थ राइट यूनिट टेस्ट्स. एंड लास्ट इज ऑप्टिमाइज परफॉर्मेंस. This approach makes the code easier to understand and debug. So if we follow this entire step-by-step process, the application should be more effective than our writing a simple command prompt. So you can follow this also. After that, fourth point is ask for explanations, improvements and tests. Don't just request code. Ask ChatGPT to explain it and improve it. If you understand what it implements and how it works, you have to tell ChatGPT explain it in brief or detail, which helps you to understand the code effectively. Like example prompts: explain this code line by line, optimize these functions for speed, refactor this code using solid principles, write unit tests for the code. This helps you learn while producing higher quality software. It helps to produce higher quality software and helps you to learn how you can also write effective codes. Now let's move to the fifth point. And the fifth point is review, test and debug the output. Like ChatGPT can make mistakes, so always review the generated code, run and test it. Ask ChatGPT to fix any errors. If you run and test, you will get some errors. Then you have to ask ChatGPT to fix that specific errors. Check for security issues and edge cases. If you need some security issues or like edge cases, you can also tell ChatGPT to review and correct it. It will help you to solve that issues and cases. Like example, this code throws a null pointer exceptions. Here is the error message. Help me fix it. When you get the error on your console, you can also copy and paste it to the ChatGPT. It will help you to understand the exact issue or error when you run or test it. It will explain you and help you to correct the error. So always follow these 5 points to write a clean and effective codes, and also you can learn while implementing these methods. So thank you for coming to our channel, and so for more videos, detailed projects, you can visit our channel and learn more about how to write effective codes.